What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super easy fried deviled eggs. These shits is dumb good and they take like 5 seconds to make. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so boom. Nah, I'm playing with y'all. So the first thing you want to do is put your eggs in a pot and fill it with water. Then we're going to add some salt and put this on the stove on high heat so it just boils OD fast. Next, measure out your flour and then add in some paprika, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some salt. Go ahead and stir that up and then put it to the side. So in a separate bowl, what you want to go ahead and do is crack your eggs and beat them. And right now we're just setting up a breading station. So that's going to be flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. So we're going to dip the eggs in all three of these things and then we're going to fry them. Now this is a trick to getting perfectly boiled eggs. So once your eggs come to a boil, you want to go ahead and turn off the heat and put a lid over it and then let it sit for 13 minutes. And then after 13 minutes, we're going to strain it and you'll get perfectly boiled eggs every single time. I used to mess it up all the time and then I learned this trick and now boiled eggs is super easy. So after you strain the eggs, go ahead and put them in an ice bath so that the eggs can cool down. Honestly, out of this whole recipe, this is the most annoying step. I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't know anybody who enjoys peeling boiled eggs. Like, I feel like this is so tedious. And for me, I've been cooking for a while, and sometimes I can peel boiled eggs like perfectly, like they'll come out perfectly, and then other times they come out like straight trash. I've tried so many little tips and tricks, but like, I don't know. Sometimes I just get lucky, sometimes I don't. This time I did not get lucky. So you guys will see that my eggs was not all the way popping like a perfectly boiled egg. But it's all good because we're going to just fry it. We're going to bread it and then we're going to fry it. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy peeling boiled eggs. So once we have finished peeling those annoying boiled eggs, what we're going to do is get a... What is this? This is a pan. I was gonna say a pot. This is a pan. We're gonna get a pan and we're gonna put some oil in it. I didn't have enough vegetable oil on hand, so I had to go ahead and use Crisco. So you can use Crisco or you can use vegetable oil. I actually like to use Crisco when I fry my chicken. So luckily I had this on hand, so I just used some Crisco. So while your oil is heating up, go ahead and slice your boiled eggs and separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Now we can set up our breading station. So first thing we want to do is grab your egg white, the one that we just sliced, and dip it into the flour. Then we're going to dip it into the egg. And last, we're going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. And just keep doing that until all the eggs are fully coated. This is mainly why I like wearing gloves when I make these fried deviled eggs, because look at my hands. Yeah, not about this. Wear some gloves, you can just take it off easily. Now after you're done, your eggs should look like this. Now one of my eggs in the corner did look a little retarded because they broke, but I'm not making no more eggs. So by this point your oil should be hot, so we're just going to go ahead and check and see if it's up to temp. And we're not using a thermometer, we're just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Get a wooden spoon, see if the bubbles around it are forming, and once that happens, like right now, you can see it'll be good to go. Nobody got time for all that thermometer. Nah, we not doing that. So just gently put your eggs in the oil. I hate seeing people when they try to fry something, they like throw it in the pan. I'm like, dude, like, you really gonna burn yourself like that? Just place it gently so the oil doesn't splash on you. Now frying these eggs are super quick. Like, they deadass only take 2 minutes on each side. So this will be done before you know it. So make sure you keep an eye on these. So if you want these eggs to be completely brown on like every single angle, then go ahead and deep fry them. But the average person does not have a deep fryer, so this is why I'm pan frying it. And plus, I'm super lazy. Like, who really wants to clean a deep fryer? And it's totally okay if you pan fry them and then the middle is not golden brown like how the rest of the egg is. I promise you that it's cooked. Once you let this air dry, you're gonna feel that the inside is just as hard as the outside. And even if it wasn't, people eat sunny side eggs all the time, so you'll be fine. Once these are done frying, place them on a paper towel so that any excess oil would just soak up on the paper towel. Now in a bowl, we're going to add in our egg yolks. Then we're going to add in some mustard, some mayonnaise, some mayonnaise, and then our spices. Then go ahead and whisk that for like a minute tops. You can put it into a Ziploc bag or a piping bag with a tip if you're trying to be fancy with it. But I'm just putting it in a Ziploc bag today. And then we're going to snip off the edge. So, we here. Last step. You just want to go ahead and assemble everything. So, lay out your fried egg whites. And then we're going to fill them with the egg mixture. You can deadass just eat these fried deviled eggs just how it is right now. But if you care about presentation, then go ahead and sprinkle some paprika on it and chop up some parsley and sprinkle that right on top. And then bam, you lit. And there you have it. Super easy fried deviled eggs. Mad quick, mad good, mad easy. Tell your grandmother to come link me because she's probably making the same boring deviled eggs for the last 50 years. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do everything, comment something. I don't know. Bye.